सब लोग म्यूट पे रहेंगे. वी आर गोइंग टू ट्रांसलेट इट राइट नाउ. ओम भद्रं कर्णे भिशृणु भिशृणु यामदेवाः यामदेवाः. ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयामदेवाः. भद्रं पश्येत् माक्षभिर्यजत्राः भिर्यजत्राः. स्थिरै 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 रङ्गैः स्थिरैरङ्गैः. स्तुष्टु स्तुष्टु स्तुष्टुवागुं स्तुष्टुवागुं. सस्त सस्त सस्तनूभिः सस्तनूभिः. व्यशेम व्यशेम व्यशेम. देवहि 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 तय्यदायुः देवहि तय्यदायुः देवहि तय्यदायुः. व्यशेम देवहि तय्यदायुः व्यशेम देवहि तय्यदायुः. स्वस्ति न स्वस्ति न स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो इन्द्रो इन्द्रो. वृद्धश्रवा वृद्धश्रवाः वृद्धश्रवाः. स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः. स्वस्ति नः स्वस्ति नः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः विश्ववेदाः. स्वस्ति नः स्वस्ति नः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क् स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो. अरिष्टनेमिः अरिष्टनेमिः. स्वस्ति नो स्वस्ति नो स्वस्ति नो. बृहस्पतिर् बृहस्पतिर् बृहस्पतिर्दधातु. स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. We'll take just one more stanza for today. Om Namaste Om Namaste. गणपतये नहीं है, गण नहीं है, गण गण. गणपतये गणपतये. Om Namaste Ganapataye. In fact, P has an emphasis on it, Ganapataye. It is not Ganapataye, it is Ganapataye. The P has a jump in it. Om Namaste Ganapataye. Tvameva Tvameva. It is not Tvamev. It is Tvameva. In fact, it is not even Tvameva. It is Tvameva. There is a break or constriction, or it's like the voice is being throttled at ma. Tvameva. Tvameva Pratyak. Tvameva Pratyak. Tvameva Pratyakshan. Tattva. Tattva. Tattvamasi. Tvameva Pratyakshan Tattvamasi. Tvameva Pratyakshan Tattvamasi. त्वमेव त्वमेव केवलं त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव त्वमेव केवलं त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव 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 केवलम्. It is a m sound. त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि. It is a capital T. I must put it as a capital T because the sound goes up. It's a ta. It's a ta. It's not a ta. It's a ta. The voice must jump up there. Next we have Tvameva sarva. Oh wait. This is different. There's no intonation down going down. Tvameva sarvam khalvidam. Tvameva sarva khal. Oh wait. My bad. I broke the tune myself. Tvameva kevalam hartasi. Tvameva sarvam khalvidam. This is the tune. Tvameva sarvam khalvidam brahmasi. Tvameva sarvam khalvidam. That is where it stops. All these three stay together, The Tvameva sarvam khalvidam, they stay together, and then at the ma it changes. Tvameva sarvam khal. In fact, it is a na, because there is a kha here. It is Tvameva sarvam khalvidam brahma. It is the voice jumps, so I am putting a single apostrophe here. Tvameva sarvam khalvidam brahmasi. Khalvidam brahmasi. In fact, I must put it as a capital D so that you understand that something is jumping here. Tvameva sarvam khalvidam brahmasi. 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 Yeah, that I think this should be put here and not there. Tvameva sarvam khalvidam brahmasi. Tvam sakshad. So you can split the word, sakshad. It is a KSH, but the K you can take from the first half and the ksha you can put in the second half. Tvam sakshad atmasi nityam. Tvam sakshad atmasi nityam. Ritam vachmi. If you make it as a proper it will become awkward, Ritam vachmi. Just a little bit of W is sufficient, Ritam vachmi. Satyam vachmi. Avatvam ma. It is not av. It is ava. And when you have the ava with a swarit, ava, the va must have a jump also. Avatvam mam. There is a palpable, the voice must go down, it must be audible. ऐसा feel होना चाहिए कि आवाज ऐसा jump करके नीचे जा रहा है पहाड़ से. Avatvam mam. Avavaktaram. Avashrota. Ram. It is not ram, it is ram. Avatata. Ram. Avadha. The dha must be proper, Avadhataram. Avadhataram. Avanucha. Namavashishyam. Avanucha namavashishyam. Avapashchat ta'at. Look at this. Avapashchat aat. So it's a double ta. The first ta is broken and put in the first half. The second ta stays here. Avapashchat. Let me break it here. अवपश्चात्तात् अवपश्चात्तात् okay avapashchat. In fact, to make it more fluid, take the pash here, okay, just take the at next one. Avapashchat, you will never make it wrong if you take it this way. Mistake ho hi nahi sakta, it is foolproof. Avapashchat a, even if you take it as a, then you will make a mistake. Avapashchat, it is guaranteed to be correct if you take it this way, next one is where avapurastat, 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 avadakshina, no sorry, avottara, avottarat, avottaratat, avadakshinaat, dakshinaat, dakshinaat, tat, avadakshinaat. It cannot go wrong, if you break it down phonetically. Ava chordhva, chordhva. It's a maybe r. It's not a double r, but do it that way, you will not make it wrong. Ava chordhva tat. Avadharat, avad. So it is a dh, you take it as the here, avadharat, and you can take it as a halka sa ta, but I don't think that would be a good idea. So avadhara, you take it as a halka the, okay, and then you take dha separately. Avadharatat, avadharat, sarvato, sarvatom, sarvatomam pahi pahi, pahi pahi. It's a pahi pahi samantat, samantat. Did you feel it? Samantat. One is samantat, second is samanta. Are you able to feel it? Are you able to feel it? Samantat and samantat. That is the anudat. Okay. Samantat. Okay, sing along. We are going to use these lyrics. This is Ganapati Atharvashesh 1 to 4 phonetic transliteration. फिर मैं क्या, फिर आप लोग क्या करोगे? सब कुछ मैं ही करेगा था. No, you also write down. सब कुछ मैं ही करेगा, ऐसे मजा नहीं आएगा. No, everyone has to, because you don't get it that this is the output of the process, and it is the process that makes you expert enough to be able to generate it on the fly. You can't take the effect and try to replicate the cause. वो कभी possible नहीं होता है. So I have given you the cause, I have given you the factor कि just listen to it over and over and over as a rewind करके and write down your own lyrics, do it in 2 different languages until you have it matching, and I guarantee you will get the full picture of how to go about it. Okay, we'll take a chant along. Everyone on mute please. सब लोग mute पे आएंगे. We are going to take a chant along. Same lyrics जो screen पे है उसको use करते हुए. No, mute पे सब लोग mute पे. मेरे को आवाज आ रहा है किसी का. ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः, भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः, स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः, व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः. Let me add some here. व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः, स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः, स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः, स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः. Let's put a hash here. अरिष्टनेमिः. Beautiful. स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. ॐ नमस्ते गणपतये, त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि, त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षात् आत्मासि नित्यं ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवधातारम् अवधातारम् अवानुचानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चात्तात् अवपुरस्तात् अवोत्तरात्तात् अवदक्षिणात्तात् अवचोर्ध्वात्तात् अवाधरात्तात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात्. Did that make sense? Did not make sense? Did it? So that is the idea. That is how you go about it. Okay. Copy करेंगे, मैं paste करेंगे. In fact, let me save this as a text file and put the text file here. Are you guys joining from mobile? कोई mobile से join किए हुए क्या यहाँ पे? Because mobile has its own headaches. What do I mean by headache? Like you can't exactly read text files. You can only read PDFs properly. So if that is the case, let me put it as a PDF. I have a ancient word processor, not a new one, so it's slow. Works. As long as it works, I don't care. Someone was asking in the chat that when are we going to get a standardized PDF? That is the point. The PDF need not be standardized. You can work it with a totally non-standard PDF, just with some audio, and try to get a hang of what is being spoken, and it is done. GA125 translation. Okay, how do you convert it into PDF? There is a print option. Perfect. Okay, desktop print. Okay, I am uploading this file here in Zoom chat. Please download it and then only leave the meeting from computer. Oh, so many files. मिल गया. Please check कि वो Zoom पे मिला है क्या. This is a PDF format. आप लोग phone पे भी खोल पाओगे. So this is something you can open on your cell phones also. Alright, so what we did today, complete the same exercise for the remaining Atharva Shesh. Do it twice, and that's it. Be sure you will be able to follow even with eyes closed. हो जाएगा. Anything else? I hope nothing else. All good? All good. Venkatesh ji, Jai Gurudev. Alright, I'm ending the meeting. Bye bye.